love getting mail? I do. And today I got something really exciting. Stay tuned and let's open it together. Hello, my name is Teacher Paula and I'm a teacher with VIP Kid. And before we get started, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, and give me a thumbs up. I just got something really exciting in the mail from one of my friends, a VIP Kid. She is a VIP Kid teacher and has just also started her own Etsy shop. It's Jordan Grant, and her Etsy shop is Stitch Please 662, and I'll link it over here. But let's look at what it is. I've been pushing it down so I wouldn't accidentally cut what is in here. But I saw this and I knew I had to have it. Oh, a package inside of a package. I love pink. Okay, I want to make sure I don't cut it. I'm so excited. Oh, I love it. It says hello in Chinese. Hello, Teacher Paula. Isn't it great? And it's handmade. Nothing better than something that is handmade. And then the back, it's sparkly. I love me some glitter. The back is almost as pretty as the front. Now, Jordan Grant is the featured teacher in the Good Fortune box for this month. I will also link the Good Fortune box over here. It is a monthly subscription for online teachers by online teachers. So this is a video that has several ways to support other VIP Kid teachers. Jordan Grant's Etsy shop, Stitch Please 662, and the Good Fortune box. So I love my Hello Teacher Paula. Thanks for joining me as I open my new special Hello Teacher. What is something that you received in the mail lately that was really special to you? Drop me a comment below and let me know. Thanks. Bye-bye.